I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select eForm. Choose a form. Next, search and select an action wpForo. Connect to wpForo. wpForo connected successfully. Next, choose your desired task. I am choosing Create a new topic. Now map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action and conditional logic. You can use them for your requirements. Under the action, you must choose the forum, so click on the checkbox and then select your desired forum. OK. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Please enter an email that is already registered to your WordPress user account. Submit the form. Head over to your forum site and hit the refresh button. Here you can see a new topic has been successfully added to the Bit Integration forum. Thanks for watching.